Today, we'll take an engineering calculator built in Excel and turn it into a fully functional web application using SpreadsheetWeb. No coding required. Here is the original Excel file. Like most engineering spreadsheets, this one contains a large number of interconnected formulas, input cells, and calculated outputs. All of this logic will be preserved exactly as is. Next, log into SpreadsheetWeb Hub. Upload your Excel file, then click Create and select Application. In the pop-up window, choose Try It to automatically generate the application. SpreadsheetWeb will read your formulas, named ranges, and structure instantly. Once created, the file will load directly in the Elements module. The system will automatically detect input and output fields and highlight them. Cells with blue borders are controls. These are your inputs and outputs, and they typically come with labels. The cells with green borders to the left of each control represent those labels. You may also see cells with green borders that are not tied to any control. These are individual labels such as titles, headers, comments, or notes. Images in the spreadsheet are also detected and displayed with borders. If anything is missed, you can easily fix it. For example, here the system missed 2 header cells. I'll select them and assign them as labels. Once assigned, they will appear with a green border and a label icon. Any formulas outside the selected areas will still run in the background and support calculations, but they won't be displayed in the web interface. When everything looks good, click Publish. Click Yes if you'd like to capture the data in the system. This allows you to track what users enter and also enables them to return to previous submissions and update them. This is especially useful for applications that involve extensive data entry or require a workflow. Next, you can style your application by selecting options like color scheme, font size, and overall skin. Here is your application. This is the unique link you can share with your users or embed on your website. You can interact with the inputs and the formulas will update immediately. All formulas are hidden from your users, and your Excel file, along with its formulas and data, is fully protected. In just a few steps, even complex Excel-based engineering models can be transformed into scalable web applications with SpreadsheetWeb.